Welcome to our review on making fertilisers. First thing we need to understand then is about ammonia. Now, ammonia can actually be used on its own as a fertiliser, as it's water soluble and it contains nitrogen. However, what we normally do with our ammonia is we're going to use it to make other things. So we can use ammonia to make urea, we could use it to make ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, or even ammonium phosphate. Now, the reason we'd combine it with other things is in order to increase the amount of nitrogen or other essential elements into our fertiliser. In terms of making a fertiliser then, what we need to do is to neutralise an acid with an alkali. Now, hopefully you carried out the procedure listed there in lessons to actually make your own fertiliser. Because you're doing the foundation tier paper, then you don't need to know great details about the actual method. You do, however, need to be able to label the equipment that you would have used. So make sure that you know what the conical flask is. Make sure you know what the burette is. Make sure that you do remember that a measuring cylinder is what we use to take measurements. Don't write down things like measuring jugs and things like this, because outside of our cooking rooms we're not using them. So measuring cylinder for our measurements there. Conical flask is that odd shaped one at the bottom, and the burette is the long tube that we're using our acid in.